In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your password in Grammarly quickly and easily. This is a simple but important step if you want to keep your account secure, update your login details, or just refresh your password for better protection. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to app.grammarly.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in with your Grammarly account so you can access your settings. Once you're inside Grammarly, look over to the left-hand sidebar menu and click on Account. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your profile and security details. On the profile page, scroll through the options until you find the password field. When you see it, click Update. Grammarly will then ask you to confirm your identity by entering your current password. Type that in carefully first because it has to match your existing login information. After that, enter your new password in the new password field. Make sure it's strong, unique, and something you'll remember, using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. Once both passwords are entered correctly, click Update again to save your changes. Grammarly may take a moment to process the update, but once it's done, your password will be changed successfully. If you want to be extra safe, it's a good idea to sign out and sign back in with your new password to confirm everything is working properly. And that's it. You've now changed your password in Grammarly in just a few steps. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.